peu. Oh non, non, non.
Well, there's one thing that I can compare to this guy and you. Let's not say funny because you guys are really funny. But the one thing that I can compare each and every one of you to from Claremont, he has no teeth. And none of you have any teeth either. Because I can see from all the cheers that I'm getting, Zizou, Zizou, Zizou. You know what? It actually sickens me to my stomach when I see the disgust, the fungus. Well, that's just what you guys are. And I've come out here today not as you all know me, because you don't know me, whether you think you do or not. Times have changed, people. And I tell you what, so have I. And you know what? Our next fighter has got a new manager. And you know, I'm going to bring him out right now. Yeah, it's my turn. Talk, my friend. Hey, times have changed. No, wait. My fighter from Kabutu land and the best in the West. I tell you right now, you're in for a surprise tonight, my boy. You're young and old, but I'm old. And my fighter, he knows how to do it. Because he is the Blizzard, the Warthog. Yeah! Bring him out! Put his music on! Yeah! First time, first manager, and that's me! Oh! Yes! 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 The fight has begun! Let's wrestle! Give it to him, Warthog! Let's hear it for Warthog! The Blizzard! Let's hear it for Zuzu! Yes! Times have changed, buddy! Bones is in the house!
All I want left of him, Brisbane, is bone. That's all I want left of him. Yes. Come on, guys. Who are you shouting for? Warthog. 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 Yes. Zoo, 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 zoo. Yes. Come on. Who are you shouting for? I can't hear you guys. Come on. Let's hear for Blizzard. The Warthog. Yes. Yes. New manager, new staff. And we are the champs in the house. The champs in the house. Yes. Don't count him yet, Blizzard. I want him to suffer. Times have changed, remember. We've got no teeth, remember. I don't care. They knock him out, I'll put him back. Simple. Give me 5. Come. Yo, 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 yo. Yes. Come on. Yes. Hey, what's happening here? Blizzard, come on. Come on, Blizzard, get up! Come on, Warthog! Zuzu! Zuzu! Girls, he loves you! But you got no teeth, remember? 2 count! 2 count! 2 count! Come on, Blizzard! Zuzu! Watch it! Come on, Blizzard! Kick! 1 count! 1 count! Come on, my boy! I don't manage losers! I don't manage losers, Blizzard! I don't manage losers! I wasn't talking to you, boy! I'll put Kabuku on you, my boy. I got magic. Watch out, China. I'm a Sakoma. I'll put a tail on you. You look like a funk. My pig's in the ring already. Come on, Warthog. Come on. Warthog. 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 I can't hear you guys. Come on. Warthog. Warthog. Buffalo. Buffalo. Wake up. Warthog! 2 counts only! Let's help him, come on! Warthog! 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 What's up? I don't know, let me check. Hang on. He said what's up, let me check quickly. Me, that's what's up. Hey, yes, come on. Count drift, count drift. 2 counts. Come on, Warthog, come on, Warthog. 5 minutes expired, 5 minutes expired. Warthog, Warthog. Go. Warthog! Yeah, I'm gonna be fair. And I'm gonna take you on a date tonight. Now you're fired. Hey, come on! Who are you starting for? Izu! No! Warthog! 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 Come on, who are you starting for? Warthog! Warthog! I can't hear you guys, come on! Warthog! Warthog! Yes! Address! 2 counts! Come on, Warthog! Come on, Warthog! Warthog! Zuzu! Zuzu, you got one fan. Sorry, 2, 1.5. Come on, I can't hear you. One, hot, one, hot. One, hot. Come on. We've done before.
Yeah, pause. Oh, just pause it again.